Welcome to Soul2Soul Educare's instructional video called Exercises to Balance the Brain. These exercises were presented at our workshop called Balancing the Brain for the New Age. You will find the audio files and other workshop files on our website for free download. The first exercise is called Square. This brain balance exercise helps you to use both sides of your brain by doing two tasks simultaneously. Use your left hand to draw a circle in the air and use your right hand to draw a triangle. You will continuously draw the shapes with both hands simultaneously. You will switch hands and draw a triangle in the air with your left hand and a reverse circle with your right. And you will keep alternating hands and repeat until you're proficient with both hands. The next exercise is called the cross crawl. The cross crawl uses both sides of your brain simultaneously, stimulating receptive and expressive hemispheres of the brain. It also crosses the visual, auditory, kinesthetic, tactile midline to use more parts of the brain. Get on all fours and move one arm and its opposite leg, alternating it with the other arm and its opposite leg. The goal is not to go forward, but to crawl in place. Alternately, you can touch each hand to the opposite knee. To improve your focus, perform the cross crawl in slow motion. To improve your balance, perform this exercise with your eyes closed. This next exercise is called pretzels. First, you cross your left foot over your right foot, so you are standing with your ankles crossed. Then extend your arms and cross your left hand over your right hand, palms facing each other, and link your fingers so your wrists are crossed. Pull your crossed wrists under and through your arms so your hands are against your chest facing up. Holding this position, push your tongue up into the roof of your mouth for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to breathe. Now we will repeat on the other side. This time crossing the right foot over the left and the right hand over the left. Again, push your tongue into the roof of your mouth and hold for 5 seconds. And don't forget to breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next exercise is called the pressure points massage. This exercise not only helps with balancing the brain, but also removes stress. So on a stressful day, do these exercises to relieve tension. You first cross your arms. You reach out for your ears, you massage your ears from top to bottom and then bottom to top for 10 seconds. Very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And keeping your arms crossed, you pinch and massage your eyebrows for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you take your fingers and you place one finger on your upper lip and one finger just below your lower lip. In opposing directions, push the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then change hands and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you feel agitation, this is good. It means you really did need it. So go with it, breathe, and continue. The This next exercise is called holding your earlobe squats. This exercise was used by schools in the old days as a punishment for children. I guess our ancestors knew what they were doing. They were balancing the kids' brains. Doing this exercise also helps children with autism and other brain disorders. This calms them down and also helps them focus. For this exercise, you stand up straight, you cross your arms and you hold your earlobes and you squat about 5 or 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, Bara, faster, faster. This next exercise is called the thumb and little finger up. What you're going to do is you're going to hold up your thumb and your little finger. And when I say switch, you switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. When you get good at it, so for advanced practitioners, you can use a little variation. When I say clap, then you switch. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. This exercise is called the 3-minute brain balancing exercise. It not only aids in balancing the brain, but it also helps with brain function, memory, and alertness. It helps reduce headaches, and it also balances skull bones. It also helps growth of head hair and prevents graying. If you are at a high altitude, it helps with altitude adaptation. And finally, it also helps with reproductive organs, health, and energy. This exercise is from China and was taught by Master Hui Liu of Wenwu School of Martial Arts. One may do this exercise on themselves or on others, but preferably before 7 p.m., as the stimulation caused by the exercise may prevent one from falling asleep readily. This exercise is done seated, with eyes closed, breathing calmly, head upright, counting seconds and time silently, 1 to 3 times daily. You keep your eyes closed until you're finished with all 3 hand positions and their contact to the head. You may do this exercise on yourself or on a person who is bedridden by contacting the head with the 3 hand positions done in the following manner as you would do for yourself. So let's begin the exercise. Using your dominant hand, cover the thumb with the remaining fingers of that hand. The knuckle of the thumb at the base of the hand is now sticking out toward you. Use this knuckle, following the midline of the head in the following 3 positions. Touch gently, do not press. First, your hairline, the area of your natural hairline. We will count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you move to the top of the head up from the tops of your ears. Again counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we move to the area midway between these 2 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can repeat this sequence 2 more times for best results. The second hand position we're going to do is we're going to use the pad of each thumb, touching very gently the corner of our hairline on the sides of our head with the other fingers extended but not touching each other or your head. Now again, counting to 10, pressing very gently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You remove your thumbs from your head slightly. You inhale deeply and then exhale. And then you replace the thumbs again gently to the head and repeat 2 more times for best results. The third hand position. With each hand, gather your fingertips into a circle, making a blossom hand, and touch gently. Do not press hard. Place both sets of fingertips side by side at the top of your head, and we will count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you will place your fingertips at the side of your head towards the top as it rounds to the back at the corners of your head. Again, counting to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last set is we're going to place both sets of fingertips side by side on the center of the bottom of your skull. This is where the spine enters the head. Again, counting to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will repeat this sequence 2 more times for best results. Thank you for watching the Brain Balance instructional video. Please check out our website for complete workshop presentation. Namaste.